Hey everybody. Hey, this is Rocky. I'm here in Ohio County in western Kentucky. It's October, it's harvest time here in western Kentucky. And when you're here on the back roads and you're driving around on the highways, well, you need to be real careful because these massive machines are everywhere as they're traveling to from different crops and trying to get the crops in.
For the likes of you and me and theirs, and fine as she was, she speaks each tender word.
I'm here where the Carnes brothers, they're harvesting this corn, and this here's a Gleaner combine, and a Gleaner is an American-made machine that dates back to 1923, when the Baldwin brothers from Nickerson, Kansas, created this high-quality and reliable self-propelled combine harvester. Any of you was wondering how a combine works, it's got snouts on the front of the header, and as the corn comes through between the snouts, it comes back into two augers that's spinning, and those augers, they strip all the corn off the stalks, and there's air inside there, and the corn's heavier, so the corn falls down, and as the corn falls, the air blows the chaff back, and it's discharged out the rear of the machine. And you can see how powerful these machines are. This stuff goes out the back, it's a long way. Corn is grown in every county in the state of Kentucky, with western Kentucky being one of the major growers for the corn for the state of Kentucky. Almost 60% of western Kentucky corn crops goes for feed, for livestock like cattle and horses and pigs and chickens, just anything on the farm. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And hey, y'all have a great day and God bless. Get out there and take some video.